Alright, hey guys, this is our Saturday vlog for this Saturday. We did not do any shopping. Saturdays are for shopping, but this Saturday we decided to do a family fun activity, and we went downtown Detroit to the outside roller rink. This was our first time ever going there, and small disclaimer, I have to do this voiceover on this video because there was so much music playing while we were down there and it was so loud, but I wanted to share this experience with you all because we had so much fun. I want everybody to go and experience this while it's still warm outside, and if you do travel to Detroit, make sure you go downtown to Monroe Street to the outside skating rink. It was beautiful out there. It was a lot of fun. So let's jump right into this video. This was the girls' first time on skates, guys. This was their first time on skates, and my babies was so scared, and I was scared for them. Kyler and Kaylin, they fell so many times. And look, there she go, falling again. Alright, so that's just the beginning of her falling because she fell the entire time that we were there. They enjoyed this experience. I just feel bad as a parent that my kids are just now on skates at the age of 5 and 7, and I think by that age, when I was their age, I was already up and rolling and skating. But I haven't skated since I was a kid, so it took me a while to get the groove of skating again. As an adult, I was like, whoa, what's going on? I had almost failed when I got those skates put on, but I got the hang of it and I got to rolling, and it was a beautiful, beautiful time. Kristen, on the other hand, guys, she was pissed with a capital P. She was so mad the entire time. My poor baby, she wanted to participate so bad. This lady came up, gave us some cute pink glasses. They were kind of too big for her face, but she played with them for a while. She was just mad. She was just so mad. So Kyler had a difficult time coming out of the skate ring. This nice gentleman that was part of the crew down there, he helped us out so much, so thank you for that. This guy right here, he was rolling and jamming and dancing the whole time that we was there. Just brought so many childhood memories back from being in the skate ring when I was a kid, and I'm happy that my kids was able to experience it. So guys, enjoy this experience with us. Alright guys, so that was our first time skating.
And I did a great job, but I think I know how to do it all by myself.
Alright, so she still needs some practice because she fell a lot. And their hands and bottoms are so dirty because she fell so much. But right now we just walking around downtown because we still have time left on our parking, like an hour or so. So we're just walking around, letting them see downtown a little bit. Yes, we are downtown, and it's beautiful out here. We have people out here again. So we are out here enjoying this beautiful Saturday because normally we shop on Saturdays, and surprisingly Kaylin is tripping out that we didn't go shopping today, and we came out on this outing, but the light green. But yeah, so we're about to go into this park, and yeah, we out here. Okay. I don't know what these people over there are celebrating, but they're celebrating something. They're like super duper loud. I don't have any money, any change. But yes. Every time Kylie wants to see a waterfall, she wants to make a wish.
Don't dig in my pocket, girl. Ain't nothing.
But yes.
You could be the senator. You want to be the mayor, be a mayor.
Alright, hey guys, it's the next day. It's Sunday, and yesterday we did not finish vlogging at all.
And we're going shopping.
Yeah, we're
We're
going shopping today because Kaylin insisted on us having to go shopping today because we didn't go shopping yesterday.
And Kaylin rich.
Kaylin still have money from her birthday, and I guess she's just good at saving because we're trying to figure out how she has as much money as she does. So. But we're on our way to Myers to take them shopping to get, she want to get these Shopkins toys. She's been watching Cookie C swirl play with on YouTube. So we're going to find the Shopkins for her, and then we gotta pick up some like household essential items as well. I'm going to try to get some game day chicken while we're here, because Myers had like this spicy, not breaded, what is it, like baked chicken? Yeah, like they're like wings, so I want to get those. And we're just going to chill out on this Sunday. Other than that, we're going to take you guys along with us because we did not finish vlogging yesterday. So this is a weekend vlog instead of just a Saturday vlog. So you guys get to spend the entire weekend with us just about. So we'll see how we get to Myers. We're like almost there.
And Mommy.
Yeah.
Do they got the big LOLs?
I don't think you can afford a big LOL. You don't have that much money.
Well, Kellen can.
You're not. Kayla have her money spent already, Kyler. Okay.
But I think, but when I get enough money, I'm gonna buy more.
Okay, that means that you need to save your money that you have today and not buy anything. So, like I said, we're gonna talk to you guys when we get to Myers. You wanna say something to YouTube?
I don't.
Why not? Why don't you ever like just look? You still don't feel comfortable talking to the camera.
Sunday.
Okay, I was so harassing Daddy, but I know you guys want to hear his opinions sometimes about things. Y'all just thinking he just there most of the time, and he's not. He's very vocal, and we're going to get him to start talking. But as I do all the time, I'm rambling. We're going to talk to y'all when we get to Myers.
Hey guys! Hey guys, we're here at the store. That was pretty fast.
Alright, so like Kyler said, we are here at the Myers, and right now we do not see any Shopkins. We do not see them. Maybe we need to go into a different aisle.
Yeah, I figured it would be down there in girls' activities and my little pony area, but no.
Y'all didn't see it.
Come on, let's go back. Let's right that way. Turn the buggy around. Then we can check the next aisle.
Oh, that's so cute. So guys, we do not see no Shopkins.
Wait, Kyler, it's too close to you.
We do not see no Shopkins.
Stop touching the basket, Kyler.
Like, where are the Shopkins? Like where? There's only 2 aisles. One for girl, one for boy. There's only two, okay. I can't even say it. It's only two toy aisle. Like what? Kellen, how do you feel about this?
Alright, y'all, so
We're at Walmart.
we're at Walmart. We're about to try Walmart for the Shopkins, and we just almost got caught in the rain coming into the Walmart, so hopefully it'll be worth it.
Yeah.
It will be worth getting caught in the cold rain, because that rain was just cold coming down.
I was cold.
Yeah, we don't have no jackets on, and look, we got on sandals and Crocs with no socks, so
You don't need no socks because you don't want your socks to get wet. And
Okay.
Crocs, because you got holes in your socks. Right? That would be weird.
The color reveals, they have a lot of them.
Oh my god.
Right here.
Oh my god.
See?
I want one. Happy. Hey, a pet.
shelves, y'all. It's like Christmas time. Everything is freaking empty. It looks like Christmas Eve in here. Alright, so no Shopkins. They got a few LOLs, and then Kaylin got like a Barbie house. So we're going to show you guys once we get to the house what we got. We're about to check out. Maybe we check online at Target to see if they have some Shopkins, but nope, no Shopkins.
Come on, I want to look.
Got the disco balls and the color chain surprise and these little balls and the surprises, these. So we're going to open it up and make sure you watch the next video. Peace.